just like to welcome you to the Italian cooking show, how to make pasta with meat and capsicum and meat, hosted by the beautiful, lovely, talented Alicia Radburn. Whoa!
Well done!
Alright. Thank you, crowd.
So what we prepared already is some cut up capsicums, some diced onions, and a whole, I don't know,
Great.
8 cloves of garlic. So watch out later tonight.
Wow.
Some diced tomatoes here, some 100% Italian pure Granaro diced tomatoes, and then in here we've got some paprika, some mixed herbs, some salt and pepper that we're going to pop in a second, and then we've got some beautiful rosemary just to sort of, add some herb and give it some garnish a little bit later on. And then here in our little carne, dun dun dun, freshly sliced, or I shouldn't say sliced, minced beef. Yeah. It's all happening here for
Yum.
spaghetti alla bolognese.
Ooh, yeah.
See you soon.
Can't wait to get into it.
I'm going to sprinkle some herbs on.
Look at that. Wrist action.
Plenty of
Coverage.
Has she done that before?
No.
It's not her first time. She's done this before. I've seen your other videos. The lasagna one, what a classic.
Hey,
likes.
not my first rodeo.
That was a massive hit.
Yep.
A crowd pleaser.
You were the assistant on that one, weren't you?
I'm fairly sure I was, yes. That is why it went smoothly. And that's why this one will also go smoothly.
Yeah. And the recipe will be up on the website?
Yes, with all the links to all the links.
Yep.
To all the links to where you can buy all the ingredients from.
You can catch it right here.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Here.
There.
There, in the corner. In the corner. There's one secret ingredient though.
What's that?
Alcohol.
There you
You
go.
have to
Oh,
have
did you-
some form of alcohol whilst cooking. It doesn't necessarily need to be in the cooking, but it definitely needs to be consumed.
Did you put red wine in there?
I will be, yeah.
Goes down like a champ.